right, let's talk about creating your own glitter shade, a shade so unique, it's like nothing you've ever seen before. And guess what? You don't need to spend a single extra penny. Here's the thing, if you're still shelling out 20 or 30 bucks on 20 or 30 different glitter powders that just sit there because they don't match your vibe, stop right now. I'm about to give you a millionaire nail tech secret that's going to change your dipping game forever. So what's the trick? It's not blending, but stacking, and it's ridiculously simple. The magic here lies in pairing colors that belong to the same hue family. Think about it, it's just like picking a color combo, but this time you're creating a whole new glitter shade. Take, for example, holographic glitter. It's the start of the show. Why? Because it reflects different lights, making it look like you've got a mini disco ball on your nails. Now, pair that with Turquoise Treasure Fine Shimmer, you know, that subtle teal-toned glow. Together, chef's kiss. The holographic glitter pops under sunlight or any kind of lighting, while the fine shimmer adds depth, creating a unique blend that makes people go, wow, where did you get those nails done?